Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Afrobeat which is similar to Jowo from Davido. So first I'm going to show you the creative process when creating the melodies and afterwards guide you through the finished project. And if you're interested in the sounds I'm using in this tutorial, make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I'm going to set the tempo to 102 and I'm going to start off with a simple piano. So I found this preset, and to keep it really simple for you guys, first I'm going to play the root notes. So these are the root notes in FL Studio. I'm going to add some notes on top of this one. So this is the final chord progression. And we're going to copy the root note part, so the first notes I've played, and just turn down one octave. And from this we can start building the beat. But first I'm going to make another adjustment to the chorus because otherwise it wouldn't sound interesting enough. So just switch these notes and it will sound like this. A really simple trick and almost all the times it works. So I'm going to use a strumizer on this one, Alt S, like this. And I've turned down the velocity of the keys. So right now I'm going to add another layer to this one. So I'm adding those bells. And I think this will add some more dimension to the chord progression. And right now I'm going to add an instance of Omnisphere. And I found this really awesome Kalimba. So right now just copy the chord progression from the bells, paste it into this one, make the notes shorter, turn them down one octave. Just duplicate it again, make sure to switch these notes right here. So like this, and you're done. So basically we've added another layer, and I'm going to add some reverb on this one. Add some reverb. And right now I'm going to add another guitar melody. So I'm using the semi-hollow guitar from Ampersand and I'm using the Dream Come True preset. And I'm not going to use the root note, but for example this F sharp. And we can use the A sharp. And I think something like this would sound really awesome. Still just really simple, and right now we're going to add a bass line. And I'm going to use Purity for this one. So this one. And we're going to just simply paste the root notes. So you can copy this part into the bass part. Turn it up one octave. There you go. So right now I've created all the melodies and I'm going to guide you through the final project. So this is the final project and I'm going to guide you through all the elements. So the bells and the chorus are playing. The bass line. And the plucks. I've added this reverb on this one. Plugs. And right now we're going to add some drums. So this is the drum pattern which is really similar to Jowo. So I've used this snare, this percussion, and this conga. So it's just this basic rhythm. Then I've added this percussion. I played around with the velocity to make it more bouncy. And then I've added this conga, which is also pitching in key. So that already sounds really awesome. And then I've added the shaker loop from my most recent sample pack. Then I've added another tom. This one, really weird tom, but I think just in the background. And then I've added some more rolls, so I've created them myself right here. First one, just a really simple conga loop. And then I've added some more drums. So that's how you create a really awesome drum loop. So first, just a really fast snare roll. So the snare, then this percussion, and then the conga loop. And then I've also added a lot of reverb, so I've linked all those samples to one bus right here, and just added a lot of reverb. And make sure to cut out the low frequencies, so the low frequencies aren't reverbing. So it sounds like this when you add it to the loop. So really awesome. Then I've added the kick and I've added some side chaining. Also played around with the velocity. So I think a clap like this is using almost all of the beats. And another clap. And that's basically it when it comes to this part. And after is the guitar melody in the intro. So I've added some retro color, some auto compression, some reverb, and a delay. So delay and reverb. And right here I've added another loop. And I've added this noise, so this effect, with some delay, reverb, and cut out all the low frequencies. So I think this sounds really awesome. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.